All right, well,
Yes.
you heard her, so it shouldn't be too much. I'm good after you if
Yeah.
it's wrong. Just kidding. All right, well, now it's time for the latest edition in our Eat Right, Live Well series.
Yes, that's right. Today we're getting into the Shamrock spirit with a fun and easy shake to keep you healthy. Katie Sampaio explains.
Good morning, Delmarva, and happy early St. Patrick's Day. I'm Katie Sampaio coming at you from Baltimore today to make one of these amazing Shamrock Shakes for the holiday season, and it's going to be the healthier version because you know that's what we do here. So I'm going to show you how to make it super quick. It's going to be perfect for a breakfast or a snack. So the first thing that you're going to need is some sort of blender. I have a Magic Bullet. I absolutely love it. So I have my blender cup here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my protein powder in first. So this is just going to make it so that you're not hungry or starving immediately after drinking this. It's going to be able to be a meal replacement if you want it to be that. So we have about 20 grams of protein right there. Then I'm going to take a banana, just going to sweeten it up, and then in a minute you will see why this is going to be a Shamrock Shake, because it has to be green in order to be St. Patrick's Day. That's why I'm wearing green today. All right, so I'm putting that in. Just half a banana. That's usually what I like because bananas are super high in carbs. Now the greens. I just have some fresh spinach here, even a little bit of arugula because I usually buy a blend, and I'm going to put that right on in. So the next thing, mint. So for this, I have some fresh mint leaves. You can put a couple in. It's pretty strong and powerful, so you might not want to overdo it. If you don't have fresh mint, which I don't most of the time, you can just use a couple drops of some peppermint extract that's really affordable that you can find at any grocery store. So now the secret ingredient, avocado in a shake. Kind of unusual. It makes it super creamy. It adds that healthy fat on in. So I'm just going to put 1/4 of an avocado in just because it's a healthy fat, but it's still fat at the end of the day. And then all we're going to do is put a dairy-free milk in of your choice. So I have some almond milk here. I'm just going to put it in until it almost fills up my container. It's usually going to be around 1 cup if you're measuring this at home. And then from there, I'm going to pop this on and blend it up. So it's going to get loud for like 2 seconds. And then we're going to be pretty much done with this. And you're going to see it's going to turn nice and green, which is what we want. So on St. Patrick's Day, maybe in the morning before you go out, or the next day when you're hungover, if that's the case, you can drink this and you're going to feel good about drinking it. So that's pretty much done. We got that. And of course, you can add ice at home. I don't like mine super, super, super thick. So that's why I opted out of ice for this. But then I'm going to pour it in this glass. There we go, nice and green. Perfect. And then what I like to top it with, just so we're kind of going for more of a dessert-ish thing here, a little bit of this coconut whipped cream, so super low in sugar, and this is still dairy-free, just a dollop. And then I have these cacao nibs, which are completely sugar-free, but so it's kind of like a chocolate chip, except it's a lot healthier for you because it's loaded with antioxidants. Right on top. And there we go. We have our Shamrock Shake ready to go for St. Patrick's Day. So simple and easy. You can literally make it in 5 minutes or less. So if you want more recipes like this, you can go ahead to katiesampaio.com. I have a ton there. I have a free snack guide where you can make 20 snacks in 5 minutes or less. And also Facebook and Instagram. I'm posting stuff all the time. So with that, I hope you guys have a happy St. Patrick's Day, and now back to you guys at the studio.
I almost forgot that it was St. Patrick's Day coming up.
I know, next weekend.
Yes, so a perfect green drink for that. And
Definitely.
I know you were saying that you love green smoothies.
Well, I love smoothies, and I'm
general.
trying to love green smoothies. I'm
know.
working on that right now.
Yeah, but that looked like it could probably, I think the mint might take over a lot of the flavors. So
Definitely.
I think I would try it.
Yeah. Oh, I'm going to,
Yeah.
definitely.
And if you would like to see this recipe or any other healthy tips, head to our website, 47abc.com.